empanadas are a worldwide favourite, and with a few easy tricks of the trade, you can cook them like a chef at home.
Oh, excited to find out how. Here to show us is Executive Chef at Morena Restaurant, Alejando Saravia. Hello, Alejandro.
Hello, guys. How are you?
Let's start with the empanada dough.
Perfect. So it's a very flexible dough, and it has to be really easy to shape.
Yes.
It's like a dumpling dough, if you want to call it like that.
Am I buying that or making that?
You can make these and the recipes all day.
Can I buy it?
Not this specific one.
Okay, so I'm going to make them.
Yeah, but you can replace this dough for a dumpling dough, and it will work in a similar way. Yeah.
In like an emergency.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But the beauty about this dough is that it can be fried, it can be baked, it can be used in different ways, in different presentations.
Okay.
All around Latin America, we have empanadas. And I guess it's like our version of the Australian pie.
Yes.
And that's what makes it so such a special food for us, because it's something that we share in the table, and every single country has its own version.
Do you hate hearing Australians say empanadas?
I hate when they say empanadas.
Oh, yeah, because they try.
Yeah,
we try and get it wrong.
You say oh,
Empanadas.
what did I say? Did I say it right? Didn't I?
No, we say
perfectly.
Oh, thank you.
But
no. But we, like generally we'd go
Empanadas.
mate. Yeah.
but it's
Let's get into the filling.
But it's great. This time we have a beef empanada. The beauty about these empanadas is very easy to make. You put all the ingredients in a pot, and we use 3 different spices and herbs. We have cumin, we have paprika, small paprika, to give that beautiful, smoky, earthy flavor to our ground beef. We use Australian grass-fed beef, obviously, here.
And oregano.
And oregano as well. Yeah, that's the base of the empanada. And then we just stew it like a bolognese in some way.
Yeah, nice.
And
we have onion?
We sweat the onions through as well. And what we have here is our end result.
That's
the end filling.
Okay. And then what's the art to folding them in? You mentioned dumpling before. Is it that kind of concept?
Well, exactly. So you grab a little bit of that filling. Now, in this case, less is more, because we don't want the empanadas to explode in the oil.
Can I say that's quite saucy, like considering there's no like tomatoes in there or anything?
It is a very saucy. We want that juices to be released in the empanadas. Like the texture and the flavors are all concentrated.
Like a party in your mouth.
Exactly.
Yes.
So then we start with a little bit of water, just putting it around the dough. Just that this will help the dough to stick. We want to make sure that it's really...
Get a good join?
Yeah, very well.
So we'll put the dough recipe up on our website, because I feel that we've just glossed over the dough.
Well, you glossed over the dough because...
that could be a very important part of an empanada.
You asked when you could just buy them.
Yeah, so that's the first step.
Yeah.
Then a little bit more water, and then fold in the empanadas. Just...
Oh, wow, like a corner, like
Yeah.
all 4 corners of the globe.
So it doesn't fall out.
Exactly. So you can do it like that.
Yeah.
I mean, it took me a while to learn how to do this, to be honest. But you can also use a fork and just start pressing the edges.
Once you've done that, what do we do then?
Once we have that done, we just simply have the finished product.
Well, that looks quite a fancy curl along that edge.
It's a fork curl.
It's a...
And then fry the empanadas directly in a hot oil.
All right.
So we have some...
sorry, just while we're on the oil, what sort of oil are we using?
This is canola oil.
Canola,
Yeah, so it burns slower than olive oil or anything like that.
And does it have to be a certain temperature? Because I get scared.
I like to keep it between 180 to 200 degrees, and then just control it. If you're at home, you can either air fry it as well.
Oh! That's a good idea.
That's a good idea. There you go.
Now I'm in.
Yeah, or you could just
Let's mess in the kitchen.
Or you can just buy them like that from the shops, Carly, too.
No, oil...
Or you can come to Morena and try them.
Hey,
there you go.
Hey,
can I just say, because oil can be scary if you don't get the right temperature, because otherwise they absorb too much of the oil or they burn.
It is true, yeah.
Right,
yeah.
okay.
So we have, after they're fry or bake or air fried, that's the end result. We want a beautiful...
And if people want to taste, this is just one dish of fabulous dishes you've got in the restaurant, right? So anyone can head into your restaurant for a
lunch
feast.
and
Yeah.
dinner.
Yes. What else is on the... What's
we open from Monday to Saturday at the moment, and we bring all the flavors of Latin America in one place. So I've been introducing Latin American cuisine for more than 20 years now, and it's been such a pleasure and such a journey to showcase my homeland's cuisine and also the continent's cuisine, with Argentinian cuisine in the menu, with beautiful steaks.
So you've been doing,
cooking on charcoal.
You've been charcoal cooking
Yeah.
as well. You've been doing it for 20 years. Yet you hang on to the accent to sell more food. Yeah.
I know.
It sounds good.
I think that's part of the attraction.
It
right?
sounds good. It sounds
We have beautiful ceviches.
Yummy.
We have
Ceviche,
beautiful ceviches as well. I mean, being in Sydney and the beautiful, diverse seafood that we can find here and the high quality of the ingredients allowed us to represent those ceviches in the best way possible.
What was that?
What's that?
This is a little sauce. It's called wasacaca, and it's a sauce from Venezuela.
Easy for you. Wasacaca.
That's what
Wow.
Kylie does on a long road trip.
Thank you so much, Alejandro. You can find the full
this is so
recipe
nice.
over on our website. Look at this cute little dish. And more delicious dishes in person at Morena. Oh, Macarena. Morena restaurant in Sydney.
Yeah.